Hey guys, what is Macintosh here, and in this video I'm just going to be doing a few things, just another vlog video. So basically, to start out, I have these headphones. They're the Skull Candy Rock Nation Aviators, and I got these in 2012, and almost immediately after getting them I accidentally ripped the cable and I couldn't use them for a long time, and I eventually bought this monster cable here. See, it's a monster cable. And this worked out really well for a while, and then it stopped working, or it didn't totally stop working, but it had to be bent a certain way to actually still work. And then it also so happens that I have these Logitech LS21 speakers, and just from being bent so long, the end of this is also damaged, and it's not replaceable on here. It's actually part of the subwoofer. So I'm going to splice this cable off and splice off the bad end of this cable so I can use the good end of the cable with these Logitech speakers and continue to use the speakers. And then I also bought these today to use with the headphones. These are braided cables, so they should work a little bit better. This is an 8-foot one, which is definitely overkill, but it was like $15. And it's braided, so why not? Okay, so now just to start, while the soldering iron heats up, we are going to go ahead and attach these cables to the new cables to the headphones. Just have this box. I will say that these blue flame cables come in a really nice box. Like, it's not even gonna squeeze. It's a very good box. It also has a little metal hook, which is kind of unique. Here's a close-up of the cable itself. It's not bad at all. I'm just going to go ahead and take it out and plug them in. It fits very nicely right there. So these are obviously a lot nicer than that monster cable. And it's braided, which is very nice. It'll be a lot harder to actually damage. And now we can go ahead and start the real project. Okay, so now we can go ahead and just remove this wire here with the wire cutter. I'm just going to do a little further down because we don't need a lot of it. Alright, so that's cut. Alright, so there we go. We go ahead and get rid of this grounding material here. We should be able to peel off this foil-like material here and expose the actual wires. Alright, there we have the red and black wires. Peel this back and I'll cut that off later. Now I'll just go ahead and splice these two, which is a little bit more difficult because it's smaller, but it's definitely still doable. Alright, so you can see I have this wire spliced, black one and the red one.
What was that again?
Alright, so now we can go ahead and cut the wire on the Logitech LS21 speakers. So we're just going to pull this one in a little bit and we'll cut it right about here. Alright, now this end is done. Now we can go ahead and strip this one. Do it right about there. This one's a little easier because it's not wrapped up like the other ones were. Okay, so here we have the Logitech LS21 speaker system plugged into the wall. Now if we just come over here a little bit, you can see the actual speakers themselves. So now all I'm going to do is take the monster cable and plug this into a device that will play music. We can just do that. Just go ahead and open Pandora. After that's playing, the speaker system is on. So now all I should have to do is touch these together. Alright, so here we go, we're going to try it again. You can see the place where it was soldered and electrical taped right here. So far it seems good. Okay, so here we are. You can see I actually had to resolder this because it turns out there was damage further along in the cable, but now I have it all resoldered here, plugged into the speakers, and now we'll start a new song.
The bird machine. Check.